thrilled to introduce you to Simply Earth's Set-Free Essential Oil Blend, an uplifting and empowering essential oil blend inspired by the bravery of men and women combating human trafficking worldwide. There is an estimated 27.6 million victims of human trafficking at any given time. Human traffickers prey on people of all ages, backgrounds, and nationalities, exploiting them for their own profit. At Simply Earth, we are passionately committed to ending it. 13% of all Simply Earth profits are donated to help the fight against human trafficking and the rehabilitation of its survivors. In honor of that commitment, we've created a blend called Set Free. From proceeds of this blend alone, we have been able to donate over $7,000 to incredible organizations working to end human trafficking and care for survivors. We've also been able to donate bottles of this blend to shelters as a way to say we stand with you and as an aromatic reminder of the hope that comes with being set free. In the past, we've had this blend available only on special occasions as a way to highlight our cause. But it's such a good blend and reminder of the difference essential oils can make that we're giving it a permanent place on our website at simplyearth.com. So let's dive into this blend, Set Free. In this video, I'll share what's in the blend, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Set Free Essential Oil Blend is made up of lemon, fir needle, hoe wood, and spearmint essential oils. Lemon is a sweet citrus oil that is refreshing and invigorating. Fir needle has an evergreen aroma and helps center and calm. Hoe wood essential oil has a serene, floral, and woody aroma. Spearmint has a refreshing aroma of minty and sweet. These oils come together to create a blend that can support the feeling of empowerment, an emotion that's helpful to help combat current challenges and recover from past trauma. Here are some ideas on how you can use this blend. For its emotional benefits and to support easy breathing, make a roll-on with it, personal inhaler, or diffuse it. After a hard day, use it in a DIY bath soak recipe to help you relax. This blend can also be used in personal care and skincare recipes like body butters and lotions to help soothe and clarify the skin. Here's how to use this blend safely. Set Free Essential Oil Blend is made up of pure, undiluted essential oils. Be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. We recommend using a 5% dilution rate or less. This blend is not phototoxic when used at that rate. We recommend using this blend with kids aged 2 and up. Cats and dogs may find some of the oils in this blend irritating. Whenever you use essential oils, leave the door open so your pet can leave the space if the aroma disturbs them. If you have questions about using essential oils around your pets, we recommend consulting your vet. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on any medications, talk to your doctor before using essential oils. Be sure to like and subscribe to these videos for more information on how to use essential oils every day in your home. Grab your Set Free Essential Oil Blend from Simply Earth today.